What could we expect from the upcoming Tesla electric plane? Elon Musk is one of our generation's sharpest thinkers. His contributions to the world are outstanding. However, there is a new arena in which the third richest person wishes to make history: the sky. Because of knowledge saturation, aviation and aeronautics may not have witnessed much innovation in the last few decades. In the car business, there was a similar issue, but Elon Musk came up with an ultra-innovative solution. He used electricity as fuel, and the rest, as they say, is history. Now, Tesla plans to embark on one of its most difficult, but ambitious, initiatives to elevate aviation to a new level. This leads us to the subject of today's video: Tesla's electric airplane. What could we expect from the upcoming Tesla electric airplane? In this video, we'll talk about the ambitious project and how it will transform the way we travel and commute around the world. So without any more delay, let's get started. Elon Musk previously stated that one day, all transportation, save rockets, would be electric. Yes, it includes airplanes, which have long been on his list of electrification projects. In a September 2018 interview, Tesla CEO Elon Musk initially mentioned the notion. He envisioned a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft capable of supersonic flight at high heights. The concept has mainly remained a pipe dream since, for Musk's design to function, the plane would need a battery with an energy density of more than 400 watt per kilogram. Tesla's most recent batteries, Panasonic's 2170 batteries, used in Model 3 vehicles, have an energy density of about 260 watt per kilogram. However, Tesla is currently working at an unprecedented rate to enhance that capacity. Musk stated on Twitter in a recent discussion with ARK investment analyst Sam Corris that Tesla may be able to achieve volume production of 400 watt per kilogram batteries in 3 to 4 years. Although this is mostly due to Tesla's efforts to increase a vehicle's operating range, a battery of that capacity will be powerful enough to lift an airplane off the ground. However, if battery technology advances and it becomes viable to electrify a plane, mankind may be able to move to a completely zero-emissions transportation system. Thierry Martin, TE Connectivity's Aerospace and Defense Chief Technology Officer, told Inverse in July 2019 that the battery will be the first obstacle, followed by difficulties with voltage and regulations. Martin predicted that the batteries would be available within the following 5 years, and that the electric airplane would take to the skies in 2040. Musk stated in 2015 that he had a design in mind, although it is unknown what the Tesla jet would look like. In 2018, he stated that the interesting thing to accomplish would be a vertical takeoff and landing supersonic jet of some type, implying that he is working on a high-speed design that does not require the lengthy runways required by existing planes. Musk also reacted in June 2020 to concept drawings of a hypothetical Tesla electric jet that resembled a manta ray, commenting that it looks very cool. Though an electric jet appears overly ambitious at the moment, Elon Musk has hinted at his ambitions to build one. He frequently comments on the future of the aviation sector. He specifically proposed electric vertical takeoff and landing supersonic jets in one of his interviews. However, great expectations create issues, and Tesla has begun to seriously evaluate this idea. Elon claims that the ability they have for a Tesla plane is not simply a financial issue, but also a barrier of efficiency and resources. Elon has stated that an airplane would be a tough transition from Tesla's electric cars. There are also regulatory concerns in manufacturing, as well as travel in various countries. All of these might take time, but it is not difficult to say that the way Tesla has been performing tasks in a rapid way, the electric airplane might not be a very far-fetched idea. Musk understands the need of powering automobiles before planes. Planes accounted for only 2.4% of worldwide CO2 emissions in 2018. According to the Environmental and Energy Study Institute. In 2016, the World Resources Institute stated that combined rail, marine, road, and air transport accounted for 24% of emissions, with vehicle traffic accounting for 72%. Musk's passion for all types of global energy consumption was contagious throughout his PowerPoint presentation on Battery Day, and he definitely succeeded to change attitudes. Although ridding the world of fossil fuel automobiles is Tesla's top priority at the moment, the firm looks to have much larger objectives. For many years, aviation has not had an issue with innovation. It is a feasible and costly business. The fuel costs incurred by airlines are bothersome. The combustion of jet fuel produces a large amount of greenhouse gases. The ozone layer is harmed by conventional aeroplanes. Most of these difficulties would be addressed with an electric plane. Fuel emissions would be reduced. They would be powered by a battery and would be less expensive. Manufacturing and maintenance costs would be minimal. It would be 1.5 times faster to travel. This huge boost in travel speeds are greatly going to affect commerce, travel, and trade around the world when we upscale the innovation to a global boundary. However, when discussing the electric plane, we cannot overlook the obstacles. The first disadvantage would be the restricted supply of energy. Although fuels may be moved and transferred in a relatively short period of time, electricity cannot. Tesla is working hard to improve the efficiency of their batteries. Another problem would be the lack of pit stops. On-road battery outlets in vehicles allow you to recharge your vehicle. If you're running low on power above, safety systems are your best choice. Companies are striving to enhance the efficiency of their batteries without increasing their size. There is also the matter of safety. Road transfer is safe in this case, but if the battery catches fire aboard an aircraft, it will be hard to dispose of the battery. But all issues have answers, and Musk is known for using creativity to solve the most complicated challenges. People argue that the airplane's speed would be sluggish and that its battery would be wasteful and hazardous. SpaceX, the space exploration and aeronautics company of Elon Musk, will also be involved with the endeavor. Tesla is widely regarded as having one of the greatest autopilot systems available. Despite the fact that it is still under development, the company's success has astounded everyone. Airplanes may be made to do the same thing. But when can we expect the electric airplane? In roughly 3 to 4 years, we may expect a more efficient battery. It would take 2 to 3 years of testing and research to complete the blueprint. Government clearances and mass production certifications would take about 2 years. Finally, a year would be required for commercialization. Thus, it would take around 10 years to see Tesla's electric airplanes soar high in the skies. Did you enjoy our video? Would you like to try out the Tesla plane when it comes out? Let us know in the comments. And if you would like to watch more of these videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We will see you later with another video. Until then, goodbye.